Hello all, welcome to channel WebHarvey. And in the latest version of WebHarvey, you must have noticed that we have significantly improved the user interface. We have revamped the user interface such that all the features are readily and easily available to the user and not hidden in a menu system. And this, what you see here, is the latest interface, and this is the old interface where most of the features were grouped inside the menu system. So we have replaced this traditional menu system here with a new ribbon menu system where we have grouped the features under various tabs, and under these tabs we have various panels related to various types of features. So let's follow an example and see how the features are laid out in the new user interface. So this video is basically and mainly aimed at existing users of WebHarvey who have been using the previous version, so they get an idea about how the features or options are present in the new version in relation to the old version. If you are a new user of WebHarvey, we recommend that you straight away go to the WebHarvey tutorial series or go to the help section in our website to get a fresh idea about these features. So let's get started, and I have loaded a sample page, and under the file menu I have these options to open, save and edit configuration, and we also have the more popular start, stop and start mine buttons, which are used to start the configuration, stop the configuration, and then to start mining using the configuration. You can also access the settings of the program in a more easier way by clicking the settings icon, and then you have the clear option which clears the browser. So let's start the configuration and select a sample data. And once you are in the configuration, if you go to the configuration tab, you can edit many options related to the configuration. So for example, under the edit options, you can edit the URLs in the configuration, you can edit the keywords in the configuration, and you can also edit the start URL and post data. The URLs option is the add remove URLs from the configuration option. So all these three options were present in the previous version under edit menu, edit options, and you have these three options here. And the next two are related to pagination, and they are placed under the pagination panel in the new version. You can set the JavaScript to load the next page. You can also select the scroll to load next page option, which will automatically scroll the page during mining to load next pages. And under options, you have the disable pattern detection option, where you can force WebHarvey to select only a single item from a list of items. So all these options are available under shortcut keys. So for example, this option, you can see in the tooltip that it's Control D to enable or disable. So basically if you hit Control D, this option will toggle. And if you go to the actions menu or the actions tab, you have options to select the category links and also the keywords. So in the previous version, these were under the mine menu. Under mine menu, you have these three options here, and they are organized under the actions menu here. So for keyword scraping, you can use the input a list of keywords option, and for selecting category links or a list of similar links, you can select these options which are listed under the multiple link selection panel. And under tools tab, you have the scheduler, where you can add scheduled tasks so that you can run WebHarvey periodically based on configurations you have already created and automatically export the data to a file or database. And if you go to the help tab, you have the various help options, check for updates and about. So as you can see, this is version 5.2.0.155, sorry, and all the new versions will conform to this layout, whereas the previous versions were of this layout here. So for more details, you can go to webharvey.com, and under the help section, you can get detailed information regarding all the features. So we hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, you can contact our technical support. And one important thing that is that we request you to follow us on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here so that you get the most up-to-date information on WebHarvey, the new scraping techniques, and the features which you introduced in the new releases. So thank you.